we interrupt our regularly scheduled programming for a Channel 3 special report.
Blizzard of 2015. Juno. More like Puno. They had said we were going to get about 3 feet. But what they don't really explain to you is that the way of measuring is like baby mouse feet. As you can see, the danger. So it's really rough to walk in. And just so you understand, like the tragedy of it, it's so difficult to walk because of the depth of the snow. And if we put this in here, it's 3 inches. 3 inches. So I think they're a little off the mark. They've been plowing every 15 minutes. The 3 inches of snow that's on the road, as you can see, it's overwhelming. It's treacherous. It's treacherous. Oh no, actually, if you can see him, they're working very hard. He came down the block and now he's taking a coffee break. Because that's a very exhausting work to salt the road. We didn't speak about the winds. The winds are up to, I think, 3 miles an hour. And a little off from the mark of 50, 60, 75. Maybe somebody brought a fan when they were taking the measurements. They've been pretty much plowing the streets every 4 minutes. Eventually the 3 inches will dissipate. I don't want to disrespect the weather forecasters, but they should be, rather than weathermen, they should be called weather clowns. Let me just show you the depth of how deep. Look, it's so difficult to walk. Look, it's going to be really rough to get this off the vehicles. Look, if you look down, it's even touching the rubber. That's very dangerous. This guy's never going to get out of here. So just be safe out there. Look how difficult. Listen, don't underestimate 3 inches of snow, okay? And it's a light blizzard right now, but a blizzard nonetheless. Reporting live, Joey Canoli, WTS News. Where's the snow?